how to create styled brushes in Affinity Photo after the event. Let's just go over here and select a brush. Now I'm just going to use one of the ink brushes, one of these. Go to the paintbrush tool, select that, and you can set the size, etc. and just apply it. And you can create all kinds of designs, all on a single layer. If you go to the layers panel, that's in the view menu, studio and layer, you can create this sort of design, maybe, and you can change the colour. So you don't have to go with just red, maybe go with green. And apply that. So you've got that design. What you can then do is just a standard layer. Go over here and brushes, right side menu, and down to new brush from selection. So new brush from selection, select that. Delete that now, don't need that because it's over here. So double click that and you can see here I can now modify this setting. So I'm just going to go here with size jitter, rotation jitter, I can make that rotate, and also hue jitter so you can get a nice colour. Also you can reduce the size down. I think sometimes you put about 800, fills the screen quite rapidly. And you can change the spacing, etc. And you can create a real nice jumble of designs. However, again, paintbrush tool, select that and apply. And you can see the result there. Now I'm just going to undo that. Don't want wet edges on. Always seems to default to wet edges on. So just apply it like that. Once you've done that, go to layers and you can go down here to effects. So just click here, outer shadow, make certain that's set on, radius, offset, intensity. Also go down here to 3D, click there and set that on. And then you can see you've now got a three-dimensional brush effect. Also what you of course can do, you can go to layer and new layer and you can apply it again. So apply the brush. Now the brush will have no effect at this point. But simply again, go over here to the layers panel, click here, effects, go to 3D, set that on, change the radius, tweak the profiles, etc. And also if you want to have some shadow, just go to outer shadow and change the intensity there and click close. And then you've got your three-dimensional brush. However, what you can also do is just a standard layer. You can apply effects, you can distort it, you can duplicate it, so you can resize it. So you don't have to just keep it the size you've created it. So you can go to filters, distort and deform. But you might like to go to layer and rasterize. So it's all converted into a single pixel layer because this has got effects. Just turn this off, preserve layer effects and rasterize. Then go to filters, distort and deform. Click here and then distort that and just drag it in all kinds of ways to create all kinds of very unusual paintbrush designs. All that have got three-dimensional as well. And of course what you got with this is that you can then, because you've rasterized it, there, click apply. You've got no effects now. So what you can do, go down here again to effects, click there, and you can say, oh, let's just go for another outer shadow. Just add a little bit more depth there, as well as, again, click on the 3D and just change that as well. And again, you can change the lighting, modify that if you want it different directions. You might not, but you can if you want to. And click close. And of course, you can duplicate that. Now, you will notice there is an edge there. If you want to avoid that, just avoid, obviously, creating a design that goes over the edge, which I didn't. And then you can duplicate it. And you can always, of course, just stretch it. Just drag it like that to create, again, other designs. Or stretch it that way. Obviously, within limits. And you can see you can create all kinds of depth designs using brushes with styles. Hope you found this of interest. Any comments, please let me know, please. Thank you much.